So you just joined a network marketing opportunity or maybe an affiliate program that requires you to build a team, and you're super duper excited because you are looking forward to earning those residual monthly commissions. But then reality strikes and you realize that you are shy and you don't have a lot of hours in the day. So how are you going to start sponsoring people without being a pushy salesperson and without having to be on social media all day? Well, in this video, I'm going to share a simple framework that allowed me to consistently sponsor 15 to 20 customers per month for the last 3.5 years straight. And it also helped me become a top affiliate. And I didn't have to cold call. I didn't have to pitch. I didn't have to harass people in their direct messages. So if that sounds like something you don't want to do, if you want to automate more of your prospecting so that you can actually build a business that allows you to make money even when you're not on your computer, then keep on watching. Hey there guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa and thank you so much for watching my video. After sponsoring hundreds of people online using video marketing, my personal branded website, and funnels that keep on sorting, selling, presenting, and prospecting and signing people up, even when I'm not on my computer, I'm here to tell you that is absolutely possible for you to start attracting the people that actually want what you have to offer without feeling like a pushy salesperson. So if that sounds like something you want to do, then let's dive right into the content. So again, like I said, this strategy that I'm about to share with you does not involve any cold calling. It doesn't involve having to be on social media all day. And even though I respect everyone who's out there pointing and dancing, it's kind of like not everybody's vibe. So what are like the boring, shy, introverted, people that don't know how to dance? What do we do? What is it? What is our approach? Well, I'm going to share my approach with you right now. So if you have a pen and paper, I highly encourage you to take some notes. So number one, the first thing that I do is I create evergreen searchable content. So what is evergreen searchable content? It is content much like this video that is based in principles and strategies rather than on trends. That way, if you go looking on Google for how to build your network marketing business online or how to sponsor people consistently into your network marketing business, chances are this video will still be relevant even if you find it 1, 2, 3 years after I filmed it. So it is content that continues to work for me over and over and over again, because here's the deal. Even though you might have a leveraged business model, which if you are in a network marketing company or in an affiliate program that pays 2 tiers, so you got some leverage there, the truth is that is a leveraged business model. But if your marketing is not leveraged, if you are on your computer all the time, if you are constantly on social media, just doing Facebook posts that honestly, they disappear almost as soon as you post them, then it's almost like you feel like you're on this hamster wheel because your content doesn't last. It's getting buried in an algorithm and people just can't find it. Whereas if you do a searchable content, which is video marketing or even using your blog, that posts can last and stand the test of time. Case in point, I was a guest trainer a few months ago on someone's team training, and I was trying to come up with a term to describe a prospecting strategy, and I just couldn't figure it out. But I knew that there was this program that I had taken in the past where they use that terminology throughout the entire course. So after I finished the training, I said, I'm so sorry, I can't think of the word right now. I ended up going to Google and I started typing in the name of that course. And guess what happened when the search results came up? It was a video of me 10 years ago in a review on that exact product. And guess what? When I was describing the product and I was doing the review, I said the exact word that I couldn't remember. Okay, so my own video helped me answer my question. And by the way, if you want to know what that word I was looking for is, it was posture, how to posture yourself in front of prospects. And so I went searching for the video, and my video from 10 years ago when I was much, much younger came up in the search engines. And so you want to start creating marketing that stands the test of time so that when people go searching for it years later, that video keeps working for you long after you created it. Second part of my framework is using simple funnels. I don't use really overcomplicated funnels, even though some of my funnels are a little bit more intense than others because I have multiple videos and steps inside of my funnels, but I don't do any real complicated stuff inside of my funnels. I basically use them as a way to put a prospect through a journey so that it replaces me so that I don't actually physically have to be there. So one of the very first funnels that I use that a lot of people overlook, especially if you're just starting in network marketing or affiliate marketing, or I should say just team building in general, and you're looking to get more people in front of your business presentation, is the actual invitation funnel, which for me, the invitation funnel is one of those steps that so many people skip. So what exactly is an invitation funnel, especially if you're trying to sponsor your first 3 to 4 people? Well, the invitation funnel, and I haven't really heard people talk about it, so maybe it's something that I invented, but it was my solution to the problem that I was having, which was, how do I get this business off the ground without being a pushy salesperson? Because honestly, I am terrified of direct selling. So I needed to figure out a way for people to come to me. So that's why I launched an invitation funnel when I first got started in my business, right? And since then, I mean, that was the catalyst of my business. And I've sponsored hundreds of people since launching that funnel, but it was the catalyst. It was the very first funnel that I built. And that funnel is designed to replace the icky things like the 3-way phone call with your sponsor and having to private message, people in the direct messages. And it also replaces the whole 100 memory jogger list and sitting there and smiling and dialing. I don't do any of that stuff. This one funnel replaced all of that for me. And I talk about that more in some of my training that I will link for you right below this video. Well, if you're enjoying this video so far and it's giving you value, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. And if you know somebody who can benefit from this video, can benefit from this information, please go ahead and share it with a friend. All right, so now the third step in my framework is basically creating a nurturing sequence of emails. Now, you've probably heard about it if you're familiar with digital marketing or online marketing, but here's where a lot of people go wrong. Where a lot of people go wrong is they rely too much on swipe files because they're afraid to write in their own voice. They don't really know what to say. And I've found that the more real you can keep it, and if you just write like you're talking to a friend, that type of email is way more effective if you are trying to get people to sign up with you. Now, if you're just legit trying to sell like digital products and you're just straight up into affiliate marketing, sure, you can use swipe files to get you going. But if you're really trying to build a brand that people know, like, and trust, I think that the faster you can start writing in your own voice, the better, because people can pick up when you are being real, when you're being authentic, and when it's your voice. Now, although I will admit that writing emails is one of those tasks in my business that I'm like, I don't know why I get so lazy about it. And I'm actually pretty decent at it because, I've made sales, so many sales just through email marketing. But, everyone has their thing. But the truth is, it is so, so important because it really is that connection to your subscribers. And people get busy on social media. The algorithm buries your posts. But if you send a message directly into someone's inbox through your autoresponder, that is kind of like your lifeline to your subscribers. So it's so, so important to really create the habit of emailing your list. Now, here's what I do, and this is one little tip. Since I know that I struggled with being consistent emailing, and I didn't know how many times I should email or what my follow-up should look like, I just kind of committed to emailing once a week. And once a week, I just try to create value. I send my list, my blog post or my video, and I just try to keep them in my circle so that when it is time to launch something or promote something, I've got their attention, and I continue to try to nurture them, not always try to sell to them. them, even though I know that maybe other people teach it differently, but this is definitely something that has been working for me. And I was able to automatically sign up people into my new coaching program, which I'm really, really excited about. And if you haven't checked it out already, I will have a link for you right below this video, and just an email to my list. And I've already signed up a bunch of people, which I'm really excited about. So the power of email is absolutely real. So I highly encourage you to stop relying on swipe files and start writing to these people as if they were just a friend. And eventually you will figure it out. You will find your voice. What I find is most important is to think about them and how you can help them solve their problems. And the more you focus on that, the easier it will be to write to them. So make sure you're doing that. Now, this is just a framework, but if you want to get down to the nitty gritty, then you're going to want to get access to my new resource called the Attraction Sponsoring Blueprint, which is the 7-step blueprint that has built the foundation for my 6-figure business and the businesses of many other people. Inside of that free training that I've created for you, I actually show many examples of people that are using that same blueprint in their businesses. So if they can do it and I can do it, you can too. So make sure that after this video, you go ahead and download your free copy of my Attraction Sponsoring Blueprint. My Attraction Sponsoring Blueprint will give you that solid foundation so that you can build a brand that stands the test of time, helps you make money even when you're not on your computer, and creates the most impact in the marketplace for both your prospects and your audience, as well as financially for yourself. So if you want to check out the Attraction Sponsoring Blueprint, I highly encourage you to download it right below this video. All right, guys and gals, well, that's it for me. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, if you want to check out last week's video, I will make sure to post it over here on the end screens, and you can watch that one right after you're done with this one. So remember, as you're building your business out there, have faith, stay focused, and take massive action. This has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.